Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen chicken fries in the air fryer. So all we need is a package of frozen chicken fries. No need to defrost them. Cook them straight from frozen. And you also need a non-stick cooking spray, or as an alternative to spray, you can just use regular olive oil or vegetable oil and brush the inside of the air fryer basket with it. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will spray it with a non-stick cooking spray, or you can also brush it with oil. And now I will open the package of frozen chicken fries. And let's put the frozen chicken fries in the air fryer basket. For best results, don't crowd it too much, so I just put it so they're in a single layer on the bottom of the basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And set the time to 8 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the chicken fries so they brown evenly. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken fries. Look at that, perfectly cooked. They look so good. Crunchy. Now air fryers differ, so if yours aren't cooked enough, you can always put it back in the air fryer for another 2 minutes. Mine are perfectly cooked, so I'm going to remove them from the air fryer onto a plate. So they're nice and crispy. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Crunchy. Delicious crispy breading on the outside and tender, juicy chicken on the inside. This is so good. You're going to love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!